Sure. Here's an 800-word script on the 2025 Genesis G90 without any headings. The 2025 Genesis G90 continues to redefine what a flagship luxury sedan should be. Genesis, the luxury arm of Hyundai, has consistently pushed boundaries in terms of design, technology, and overall refinement, and with the G90, they've delivered a vehicle that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the likes of Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. The 2025 model year doesn't bring radical changes to the G90, but rather builds on the strengths that have made it a standout choice in its class. One of the first things that capture attention is the G90's exterior design. It's a perfect balance of elegance and authority, with a wide crest grille and signature two-line LED headlights that give the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The sleek proportions, long hood, and clean character lines project a sense of timeless sophistication. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the chromed accents and rear light bar, has been crafted to communicate prestige. The G90 doesn't scream luxury, it whispers it with confidence. Step inside the cabin, and the experience deepens. The interior of the 2025 Genesis G90 is a masterclass in modern luxury. Materials are of the highest quality: soft Nappa leather, genuine wood trim, aluminum accents, and suede headliners. The layout is both intuitive and visually calming, with an emphasis on horizontal lines and tactile controls. Passengers are enveloped in comfort, with massaging seats, ambient lighting, and whisper-quiet insulation that blocks out nearly all exterior noise. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, the G90 offers an atmosphere that rivals the best in the business. Powering the 2025 G90 is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 375 horsepower in its standard configuration. For those seeking even more performance and refinement, a version with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and an electric supercharger boosts output to around 409 horsepower. Power delivery is smooth, and acceleration is strong without being aggressive, a perfect match for the vehicle's luxurious character. The 8-speed automatic transmission is nearly imperceptible in its shifts, and the all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in all weather conditions. Adaptive air suspension contributes to the ride quality, soaking up imperfections in the road while maintaining composed handling during spirited driving. Technology is a central part of the G90's appeal, but it's been integrated in a way that enhances rather than overwhelms. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a similarly sized infotainment screen provide crisp visuals and customizable layouts. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Genesis has also refined the interface to be more responsive and user-friendly than ever before. A fingerprint authentication system lets drivers access personalized settings, while the premium Bang & Olufsen 3D audio system delivers crystal-clear sound throughout the cabin. One of the standout features in the G90 is the attention paid to rear seat comfort. In the executive configuration, rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, individual climate controls, entertainment screens, and even footrests. It's clear that Genesis is targeting markets where owners are driven rather than drive themselves, and they've succeeded in making the back seat an experience unto itself. The cabin is also equipped with a mood curator system that blends music, lighting, and seat settings to create relaxing environments, be it for focus, relaxation, or vitality. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2025 Genesis G90 includes a full suite of advanced driver assistance features as standard. This includes adaptive cruise control with machine learning-based behavior, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, and a sophisticated highway driving assist system. The G90 can even park itself remotely, a feature that adds both convenience and a sense of futuristic flair. A 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the car's surroundings, making tight parking maneuvers far less stressful. Efficiency is respectable for a full-size luxury sedan, especially with the mild hybrid system aiding the powertrain. While the G90 isn't aiming to be a fuel miser, Genesis has done well to balance power and economy, offering respectable mileage figures for its class. There are no fully electric versions of the G90 as of 2025, but industry speculation suggests Genesis may be planning one in the future as part of its all-electric roadmap. What sets the G90 apart isn't just its feature list, but the value it offers. Compared to its German competitors, the G90 comes well equipped at a significantly lower starting price. Genesis has focused on a simplified trim structure with generous standard features, meaning buyers don't have to spend tens of thousands on options just to enjoy the full luxury experience. This makes the G90 a compelling choice not just for those loyal to the Genesis brand, but for anyone looking for a better luxury value proposition. The 2025 Genesis G90 is more than just a car, it's a statement of how far the brand has come in a relatively short time. With its bold design, opulent interior, advanced technology, and refined driving dynamics, it's proof that Genesis isn't just competing in the luxury space, it's leading in several key areas. For those seeking a fresh alternative to the usual suspects, the G90 offers a deeply satisfying, high-end automotive experience. Would you like this script formatted as a video voiceover, podcast narration, or article?